Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can play on the multiple Roblox account. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First you have to open up your any browser, and here in the Google search box just type the Roblox account manager, just search for it, and you will see the first website of the github.com and the Roblox account manager. Just click on the website, just scroll down and you will see the option to download it, and if you don't find the option to download, just click on the Roblox account manager you are seeing on your right hand side. So once you click on that, here in the asset you will see the Roblox account manager zip file. So you need to just click on that, and once it was start downloading, so you need to just wait for it. And once it downloaded successfully, you need to just drag and drop this zip file into your desktop. So after you drag and drop it, so now you have to just right click on it and extract the file. Just click on the extract file, and now here you have to just select the folder where you want to extract it. So after you select it, just click on the OK. Now it will be extracted. After that, just open up the folder, and now it will look like this. So you have to open up the Roblox account manager. At once it was open, you need to just wait for it. Now when it was open, now here you just need to click on the add account. So once you click on that, now it will open up the Chrome, and now here you need to just simply log into your account, then simply click on the login. After that, now this account was added to your Roblox account manager, and you can also add the second account by just clicking on the add account option second time. And this is the method you can add the multiple accounts on your Roblox account manager. So once you add the accounts, you need to just open up your Roblox by home, then you need to just select the game that you want to play on the multiple accounts. So once you select the game from here, you need to just select the ID of this game you are seeing on the top in numbers. So right click on the ID, just click on the copy. So once you copy the ID of the game, just go back and place and just paste in the place ID. And now it will start detecting it, and here you will see is detect it is the game of the real easy obby. After that, now you can select your account, then just simply click on the join server. And you also need to change the settings, just the multi-server. You can check the box of multi-server in the settings, and also you can decrease or increase FPS in the Roblox account manager. Guys, this is how you can play the multiple accounts on Roblox. And guys, if you find this video helpful, so please make sure you like this video, because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.